The magic of the holiday begins at your front door with Christmas porch decor. We have tips to help you create a look you'll love. Are you dreaming of a cozy cabin Christmas? Create a ski lodge-inspired display with decor that makes you think of evergreen forests and crisp mountain air. Anchor the look in greenery. Think wreaths, garlands, and even outdoor Christmas trees. And choose woodsy, rustic accents. Cozy up seating areas with layers of pillows in cabin-inspired patterns and prints. And tuck in some throw blankets to keep you warm on chilly days. The idea is to create an outdoor space you'll love spending time in, all through the holiday season. Nestle into the joy and wonder of a white Christmas with holiday porch decorations that capture the beauty of winter. This style starts with flocked and frosted botanicals. The icy elements create the feeling of a wintry day. There's no need to limit your creativity, even if you're working with a smaller space. Add the perfect finishing touch, and your winter wonderland is ready for Christmas. Celebrate the fun and whimsy of the season with holiday porch decor that's bursting with color and sparkle. You can go all out with glitter, metallics, and lots of bright reds and greens. Play with oversized pieces to add an element of fantasy. Things like giant bows and candy-themed accents. And if your porch is shaded, try incorporating lights for a cheerful glow. Ready to get started? Have fun! Dream big! And let your holiday porch decor set the scene for a Christmas to remember. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.